Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayna Violet, and we are back with another Faux and Fabulous Friday wig install. This is Sensational's Pre-Cut Unit 16 wig, and if you want to see how I installed it plus my thoughts, stay tuned. There was a beauty supply store closing near my house and they had 50% off everything in the store. So I got this for like $21. But honestly, for the original price, I would pay that as well. This wig is so pretty. It's a crimp style, which I love any day of the week on my synthetic or my human wigs. And I just love it so much. I love it so bad. Before I put her on, I had to do some moisturization on this here scalp, starting with my Curlsmith Intense Treatment Serum, then spraying with a leave-in, and ending with some Blue Magic, which I just recently added to my routine. I haven't necessarily seen the results yet, but I've heard really good things. While I love a lace front wig, I love a 2x5 part wig. It's not too much work since there's not much space to plug. The knots are really small, which makes it look more realistic, and just everything about this wig is giving what it needs to give. Before we actually start installing, I made sure to try on the wig, and as you can see, it looks fire. Okay, the lace is HD and it blends in perfectly without me even putting makeup on it. Like, come on, y'all. What I did take time to do is pluck out a widow's peak. This wig was too good not to do it. She plucked so well, and I mean, look at the material. 10 out of 10. If you don't want to do any plucking, the wig is technically pre-plucked and pre-cut, and it comes with baby hairs, so you could just put it on straight out the box. But for me, you know, I love a widow's peak every single time, and when it comes to pre-cut hair, like, or pre-cut lace, I need to be cut up right where the hair starts. If it's not like that, I'm gonna cut it every time, and I'm gonna cut it with my pinking shears, of course. Truthfully, I wanted to install this wig using some glue, but opted for my wig spray instead. I used both the Kiss spray along with the Frontal Queen lace spray, and I've learned that for the Frontal Queen spray, it works much better if you use a brush versus your hands or the tail end of a comb. So that the wig didn't look as shiny as it probably does, I used a little bit of dry shampoo. I think this one is from Pantene, and I really hate the smell, but it gets the job done. I just got another one that my dad gave me, so I'm gonna try that and see if I like it any better. But I make sure to comb that through, and for this type of hair, I don't like using brushes because I feel like that makes the wig want to tangle even more. Like, combs just, you know, do what they need to do real quick, real simple, and a wide comb, not a baby comb, but a wide comb. It's something about the ones that are curled, like curly versus crimped or straight, that I don't know, the brushes do something. Let me know if y'all feel the same way, because I don't know if it's just me. If there's any straggling hair, make sure to cut that off, and then to get it flat, of course, my wax stick hot comb combo is going to do it for me every time. I left my wig band on for the entirety of the time that I did my makeup, so maybe about 45 minutes, but honestly, the longer the better. As you can see, she is giving scalp, and she does not look synthetic at all, and we live for that. We live for it. I live for it! Of course, we have to define the part with some concealer, and this is the final look, y'all. Real simple, real easy, and took us no time at all. I ended up wearing this for about a week, and it held up very well. I got so many compliments. When I went to bed, I made sure to braid it into pigtails so it wouldn't get tangled, and I definitely feel like that helped it last longer. Next up, I have to see what the washing process is like, because I do like to wash my synthetic wigs and wear them again, because hello, reuse, reduce, and recycle, or whatever the saying is. But yeah, 10 out of 10. I feel like it was the right length, the right density. I would love to try this in a jet black because I think it just looks so crisp. Something about jet black wigs, like, I don't usually partake in this, but this I just know is gonna look so nice jet black. But let me know in the comment section below if you would try this wig, and if you have any other wigs that you would want me to try too. I feel like there's so many. I need to start just going to the beauty supply store to see like what wigs they have nowadays, because every day I'm finding something new that I'm like, oh, that's real cute. But yeah, leave some comments down below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Share this video with your family, friends, aunties, coworkers, the whole lot, especially if they're needing a new wig, and we all need a new wig. Okay, I know them wigs is crusty, dusty, fried, dyed, and laid to the side, but not in a good way. Okay, if you like this wig, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and of course, again, leave some comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.